Hey friends, welcome back to Food Prep Guide. We are back today with another mix in a jar, and if you love a good hummus, this video is for you. We're going to meal prep some mixes where we just add a few fresh liquid ingredients whenever we want a batch of homemade, fresh hummus with ingredients that are clean and that we can customize. So the star of the show is chickpea flour. We need 3/4 cup of chickpea flour per jar. You can also dehydrate garbanzo beans to make your own chickpea flour. I got an excellent bulk deal on this from Vitacost.com 2 years ago, and this recipe is one that I came up with to make use of this, and it works fantastic. So the next ingredient is cumin. We need 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. I accidentally used a teaspoon while filming this video, but it is 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, as cumin is really one of these signature flavors of hummus. So next, we're going to be making a heavy style garlic hummus. So we're going to use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then we're going to also combine that with dried minced garlic. Yes, we're going to be using both because, again, this is a garlic style hummus mix. So 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 kind of heaping teaspoon of dried minced garlic. Next is going to be our salt. We love Redmond's real salt around here. It is excellent. We need 1 teaspoon of your favorite type of salt. Next is going to be smoked paprika, and I highly recommend going for the smoked variety. But if you just have regular, that's fine too. But we need 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika or regular paprika. The final ingredient is pepper, black pepper, and we need 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and that's it. Real quick, before we turn this mix into hummus, I wanted to mention that tonight is the last chance to lock in the lowest price ever on our Mix and Jars Volume 2 cookbook. Also, the printable gift tags that turns your homemade mixes into really cute, thoughtful gifts are free, but again, only through midnight tonight. So this hummus mix is one of the recipes inside the cookbook, along with 34 other mixes that help you make convenience foods in minutes, where you still know what the ingredients are. They are clean ingredients. You can customize them to the way that you like them. The link will be down in the description box, or you can comment hummus, and I'll send you the link directly as a reply to your comment. To turn this into hummus, grab a medium-sized saucepan and bring 2 1/4 cup of water to a simmer. Once that's simmering, go ahead and add in your jar of your hummus mix. Whisk it really well and then bring it back to a simmer. Once you have brought it back to a simmer, go ahead and set a timer for about 5 minutes and continue to whisk occasionally throughout this 5 to 7 minute process. It has a tendency to pop, and so you want to put a lid on it too, so you don't make a huge mess in your kitchen. But once those 5 to 7 minutes are up, pour it into a food processor and add a 1/4 cup of tahini. If you've never worked with tahini before, you want to shake the jar really, really, really good before adding it to your chickpea mixture. So the next ingredient is going to be olive oil, and we need 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I've never used any other type of oil for this recipe because olive oil is the traditional Mediterranean oil, and of course hummus is a Mediterranean dish, so I'd probably stick with the olive oil. And then we just need lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You could also just use a fresh squeezed lemon, and I'm not really sure how much tablespoons you would get out of 1 lemon. I've never quite measured that, but just try to aim for about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Next, give that a good pulse in your food processor. You're not really grinding anything at this point. You're just mixing it really, really well. Now, once that time is up, it will look very liquidy and you'll think that you did something wrong, but go ahead and stick it in the refrigerator. And after 3 to 4 hours, it thickens up into a very hummus-like consistency. So as you can see, super duper easy recipe, and there are this one and many, many more inside the Mix and Jars Volume 2 cookbook. Don't forget to comment hummus if you want the link to check it out. Remember, the lowest price ever ends at midnight tonight. Also, the link will be in the description box. That's all for today. Bye.